got a car off the road here. Let's see what happens. Here, you videotape that? Yeah, get a good picture right there out your window. Put it right next to you. Everybody alright? Oh, yo.
That looks like. Alright, don't make it too loud.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. It's still there.